Imagine wielding a power so profound it can navigate through the hardest challenges and overcome the most impossible obstacles. This power lies in the essence of Surah Al-Fatiha, the opening chapter of the Holy Quran, a chapter so vital that it is recited in every unit of the Muslim prayer. Today we delve into the extraordinary power of Surah Al-Fatiha and a specific method of recitation that can unlock its potential. First, let's set the scene. The method begins on the night of Friday, the midnight hour between Thursday and Friday. This night holds a unique spiritual significance as the start of the blessed day in the Islamic week. On this night, Surah Al-Fatiha should be recited 70 times, yes 70 times, each repetition amplifying the power of the surah. As the days roll on, the recitation reduces by 10 each night. So, on the second night, which is the night of Friday itself, the surah is recited 60 times. On the third night, the recitation reduces to 50 times, then 40 on the fourth, 30 on the fifth, 20 on the sixth, and finally 10 times on the seventh night. Once the cycle completes, it repeats from 70 times on the following Thursday midnight, continuing the cycle of recitation. The key is to focus on the problem at hand while reciting. This method harnesses the power of Surah Al-Fatiha, directing it towards resolving the issue. Now, to maximize the benefits of this recitation, a few conditions must be met. Choose a specific corner of your house for this recitation, maintaining the same time and place for each session. It's preferred to recite under the open sky, bareheaded, in reverence to the divine. However, if circumstances don't permit, an indoor recitation works just as well. The most crucial aspect is to recite with full faith and confidence in the power of Surah Al-Fatiha. If the problem at hand seems particularly challenging, you may choose to repeat the recitation twice a day. Remember, the power lies in your faith and the divine words of Surah Al-Fatiha. In summary, this method of recitation, starting from 70 times on Thursday midnight and reducing by 10 each night, can be a powerful tool to tackle life's biggest challenges. Coupled with faith and consistency, it harnesses the power of Surah Al-Fatiha, extending its healing and problem-solving benefits to the reciter. Remember, Surah Al-Fatiha is not just the opening chapter of the Holy Quran, it's a beacon of light, a spiritual healer, and a problem solver. It's a testament to the power of faith and the miracles of divine words. So, embrace the power of Surah Al-Fatiha, and watch as the impossible becomes possible.